Au revoir. Bonjour. Trying to brush up on my French. What's up, you guys? My name is Patrick, and thanks for checking back in at my channel. As you guys know, I'm heading off to Paris, but I'm actually heading off in just a few days. And so I actually been doing a lot of shopping, trying to get last minute items for my trip because I didn't know, but I'm actually not prepared for my trip at all. I actually have a friend over in Paris right now. Her name is Diama, and so she texted me the other day, and she just told me, what I should bring and, some essential items that I should really have in my luggage. And so I did in-person shopping and I did some online shopping, alright? And so it's time for another haul video, so let's get to it. So I told all my professors at my college that I'm going to study abroad, and they were all very excited for me. And so they gave me some tips. And so the first professor told me, oh, you really need to have like nice shoes, which isn't obvious because, Parisians, they love to dress up and look very fashionable. And so she said, essentially, you need to have leather shoes, Patrick. And so I was running back and forth trying to find a really good pair of leather shoes for me to bring to Paris. And so I went to Kohl's and I got these shoes, you guys. I really like these shoes because I think it's very versatile. It looks dressy, but it also looks casual at the same time. It is these right here, you guys. I got these at Kohl's for 80 bucks. And I really like it because it's like a really deep brown color. It's got the really nice lace in the front. Right inside there is actually a memory foam foot sole, and so I'm hoping that a lot of walking, because I know Paris is all about walking, hopefully the memory foam will be very comfortable for my feet. So literally I'm flying to Paris this Sunday, and so I needed things, here and now. And so luckily I have Amazon Prime, and so I got some stuff from Amazon, and it's definitely what I needed. And now I know how useful Amazon Prime is. It's like all of these items I got are Amazon Now, and so I literally got these in one day. And so let's open these and I'll show you what I got. Basically, anywhere you travel, you're gonna have risks of pickpocketers or people that try to like scam you. And so I actually got this really nice RFD blocking wallet because my friend said over there they might not pickpocket you, but they might like brush up against you or hit you, and they might scan your wallet. And so she said just get this just in case. And so I'm gonna see what it looks like. Online the picture looks really nice. It's just a simple, oh nice, cool. Online it's just a simple black wallet. I mean, it looks like a plain black card holder. So this is the wallet that I got, and it's really nice. I really like the leather of it. It feels expensive, but it wasn't expensive at all. It was definitely like $10. Alright, let's open this big boy up. Oh, nice. Oh, it's a really it's a really compact packaging, but this is the backpack that I got, you guys. I feel like it's Christmas morning. Do you guys ever feel that way when you guys open up the things you got online? I feel like, I got new gifts, but it's not really gifts because you already know what you got. And so yeah, so this is the backpack that I got, you guys, and instantly you guys can probably tell that it looks very similar to the Herschel backpack, and that's kind of why I got it, because I got it on Amazon for a very, very good price. It was only 30 bucks, but reason one was that obviously Herschel is very expensive. Reason number two is that I'm going to be traveling a lot in Europe, so I don't want to have that stress where it's like, it's a new, $100 backpack and I don't want to lose it, This kind of backpack, it's 30 bucks, but it looks nice, and I can, just throw it around and, not really care about, taking care of an expensive backpack. Oh wow, and even the inside, oh my gosh, check this out, you guys. The inside looks like a Herschel backpack. That is legit. I mean, I actually have a Herschel backpack. Let me show you the one I got. So this is the Herschel backpack that I have, you guys. I carry this to school every day, but as you guys can see, this is super small, and I can barely fit two outfits, an umbrella, and a jacket in here. And so I got this because I know I can bring a lot of stuff in here, So my friend Stephanie just came back from Spain. She actually was traveling around Europe a lot, and she was telling me the best thing that you can have is actually a packable, compressible jacket. And so I went to Macy's and I got a jacket, you guys. These jackets are honestly the best thing when you're traveling around Europe, because my friend Stephanie told me that, when you're traveling around Europe, you're going to be jumping on planes, you're going to be jumping on trains, and so you don't want to have a lot of stuff that will weigh you down, And so this jacket, it's super light, and it compacts down to a tube like this, you know. And so it's totally not gonna take up space. And she said, you know, in Europe it's very unpredictable. One day it can be sunny and the other day it can be rainy, and so you just whip it out, throw it on, it'll keep you warm, it'll keep you dry, and so definitely a really good thing to have when you're going around Europe. And last but not least, I got myself a pair of pants, you guys. Now, even though I'm a style guy, I gotta do my research, you know? I was searching up on Pinterest and like GQ, trying to see, you know, what do guys in Paris like to wear? Because I wanna look like I fit in, you know? And I also wanna look stylish when I'm in Paris. And so I've been seeing a lot of pictures with guys with really nice pants and trousers. And so I actually went to my local thrift store because I'm a shorter guy, it's really hard to find a pair of pants that actually fit you. And so my thought was like, you know, let's just go to the thrift store, let's find a pair of pants that might not fit me, but I can take it to the tailor, because the tailor, it can like, they can, you know, slim down your pants for like, you know, $5, $10, and he fixed it up. It's now a very skinny pant, and so I can't wait to wear this when I go to Paris. Alright, you guys, that is my haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like this haul video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for me because I come out with videos every single week, alright? My name is Patrick, and as always, make sure to go out there and be a winner. Oh, and my next video, you guys are probably gonna see me in Paris then, right? And so, I guess, au revoir. I'll see you guys in Paris, alright? Oh my gosh. Kaylee, I'm going to Paris.